Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to make gradient light in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer, then open your project. I open this image, then create a new layer. You can use this layer. I use this new layer. Different. Then select the gradient tool. Right click. Use gradient tool. Click the one drop down menu. Select transparent and again click and select your color. I use this color. You use multiple color. I do not use multiple color. Use simply one color. Okay, then click OK. Then click and drag on your mouse. Again press Ctrl Z or remove. Use this color. Okay. And click normal. Use liner draws or multiply. I use liner screen. You can use for any options. Opacity. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.